Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on fitness and wellness. Also, leave a comment down below and let us know if you've tried planking before or if you're excited to start incorporating it into your routine. We love hearing from our viewers and can't wait to connect with you in the comments section. Today we're going to talk about one of the simplest yet most effective exercises out there, planking. You might have heard about this exercise before, but did you know that doing planks every day for just 1 minute can have numerous benefits for your body and mind? In this video, we're going to explore those benefits in more detail and show you why you should consider incorporating planks into your daily routine. 1. The science behind planking. Before we get into the benefits of planking, let's take a look at the science behind it. Planking is a bodyweight exercise that engages your entire core, including your abs, back, and hips. When you hold a plank position, your muscles contract and work together to keep your body in a straight line. This is what makes planking such an effective exercise for building strength and stability. 2. The benefits of planking. Now let's dive into the specific benefits of planking. Benefit number 1. Reduced risk of injury. As we mentioned earlier, planking strengthens your core muscles without putting too much pressure on your hips and spine. This means that it can help reduce the risk of back and spinal column injuries, which are common among people who engage in high-impact exercises like running or weightlifting. We'll explain the correct form and technique to ensure that you get the most out of your planking sessions. Benefit number 2. Stronger and more defined abs. Planks target all of the major core muscles, including your abs and obliques. By doing planks every day, you can strengthen and tone these muscles, which can help you achieve a more defined and toned midsection. We'll show you variations of planks that can target different areas of your abs and how to progress in your planking practice to get the best results. Benefit number 3. Increased metabolism and fat burning. Planking is a compound exercise, which means that it engages multiple muscle groups at once. This leads to a higher calorie burn and a faster metabolism. We'll explain how planking can help you burn more calories than traditional abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups, and how you can incorporate planking into a full-body workout routine to maximize its benefits. Benefit number 4. Improved balance and posture. Planking requires a lot of balance and stability, which can help improve your overall posture and balance. By doing planks every day, you can train your body to maintain a straight and stable position, which can be useful in everyday activities like standing, walking, or even playing sports. We'll show you how to do planks properly and safely, and how to progress in your planking practice to challenge your balance and stability. Benefit number 5. Mental health benefits. Planking can have numerous mental health benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved mood, and increased self-confidence. We'll explain how planking can help you manage stress and anxiety, and how it can improve your overall mood and well-being. We'll also share tips on how to incorporate mindfulness and breathing techniques into your planking practice to enhance its mental health benefits. Benefit number 6. It's a great warm-up exercise. Planks are a fantastic way to warm up your muscles before beginning any workout, particularly if you're about to engage in weightlifting or heavy cardio. By doing a few sets of planks, you'll be preparing your body for the intense workout ahead and decreasing your risk of injury during the workout. Benefit number 7. It improves your flexibility. Planks are known to improve flexibility and mobility by stretching and strengthening a variety of muscle groups, including your shoulders, collarbone, hamstrings, and even your toes. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your flexibility, and you may even find that you're able to perform exercises that you were previously unable to do. Benefit number 8. It's a low-impact exercise. For those who are recovering from an injury or have joint problems, planking can be an excellent exercise choice. Unlike high-impact exercises like running or jumping, planking puts very little stress on your joints, making it a safe option for those who want to avoid further injury. Benefit number 9. It helps reduce stress. Engaging in physical activity like planking releases endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that make you feel good. This can help reduce stress and improve your overall mood. Plus, taking a break from your daily routine to perform planks can help you clear your mind and refocus your energy. Benefit number 10. It's a versatile exercise. Planks can be modified in a variety of ways to make them more challenging or to target specific muscle groups. For example, you can perform side planks to work your obliques or add leg lifts to engage your glutes. The possibilities are endless, so you can easily switch up your routine and keep your workouts interesting. So, there you have it. 10 reasons why planking for 1 minute every day is a fantastic addition to your workout routine. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know if you're going to start incorporating planks into your daily routine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.